Computer Networks and Systems degree is a bachelor's degree. It's a 4-year degree, and it's based on both practice and theory in the area of both networking and electronics.
It basically covers the infrastructure of what makes the internet work. Students learn routers and switches, all the infrastructure, what moves the traffic.
You go in the lab and you can make all of these things work as far as an internet connection goes. But there's also this side of like digital electronics, so a lot of working with circuits and making them work, but also doing the programming in the background.
We initially started off doing small circuitry work with resistors, capacitors, potentiometers, just building these little simple circuits on a breadboard, making lights light up and stuff.
And the next year they learn more advanced enterprise type network, adding redundancy. So we're building bigger, more reliable type networks.
It's just fun because you get to change how a computer runs by putting in different numbers that you just calculated.
The thing about this program is that it's engineering. So we make things happen rather than just think about how it could be.
The biggest strength of the program is hands-on. Every one of the CNS classes has a lab.
All the labs here are taught by professors. The students are invested with their professor all along the way.
Whatever you're learning in a lecture always gets applied in the lab that week.
I learn better with the hands-on. When I can visually see what is happening, the formulas and everything, it really makes me understand it better.
We have many labs. They range from basic instrumentation such as oscilloscopes, power supplies, signal generators, to networking equipment such as routers and Wi-Fi equipment.
So much can be just taught, so much can be just theory and lecture. It really takes the hands-on to make it sink in.
It is a field that is just growing. You look for job offers. There's tons of job offers out there for people in the networking industry.
And this is the major out of all the computer ones in this university that has different paths that you can take with it.
Anything involving networking, you're very strong in. You can also delve into the system side of engineering.
Well, we've had students that have gone into Fortune 500 companies such as Boeing Corporation or the big 3 automakers.
Hospitals, maintaining the networks there, banks, insurance companies.
Building, maintaining, administrating networks.
I've had some students that go out and work for the NSA.
Oftentimes I get calls from employers asking me if we have any students available to get hired, and our job placement is nearly 100%.
You know, I'm going to be a network engineer, but I could very easily pivot into digital electronics or electrical engineering or system administration. I mean, there's so many different avenues I could go down.
Well, I would recommend this program for many reasons. The small class sizes that we have.
The ability to go into a lab and not only do what you're being told to do, but really explore around is so valuable.
If you really like computers, like I said, you'll love this program.
Hopefully you can see I love this program. Huge demand, lots of opportunities out there, and ways to grow in the field.
There's so many reasons, and that's tailor-made to whatever students' needs are.
There's something special about that I don't think you could get many other places.